Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Today, we will learn to write about a soldier. Now, who is a soldier? A person dedicated and works to guard our country. Okay. Now, when you say soldier, any person working for Navy, Army, Air Force, any of those three forces, we call them soldiers. And these people who work, the soldiers, they are very dedicated people. They're committed to their work. They love their country and they'll do anything to risk their life. They work in terrible conditions on all weathers, severe heat, severe cold. So they need to be admired. And then they go to remote places where you and I will not dare to go. And they are all the time alert, watchful, to help support our country. Today, if we are safe, it's because of the Army, the Navy, and the Air Force. So today we're going to learn to write about the soldier. So we say, when we say soldiers, we say all men and women who have joined the Army, the Navy, and the Air Force. They are called soldiers. All men and women who have joined the Army, the Navy, and the Air Force. Are called soldiers or are known as soldiers. So first, by joining the armed forces, the soldier makes a commitment to fight for the country. So what do? These soldiers make a commitment to fight for the country or their country. A soldier makes a soldier makes a commitment, soldier makes a commitment for what? Commitment to fight for the country, to fight for the country. So that is a soldier, person with commitment, who loves their country. Then he leads a very hard life. Not only hard, disciplined, right from the training time. So you will say he leads a very hard, he leads a very hard and disciplined life. And disciplined. And when does his discipline start? Right from the training, when he joins the Army or Navy, right from the beginning, he is a disciplined person. a soldier. He leads a very hard and disciplined life right from the training to the time he joins on duty, or right from the beginning. Okay, then he is prepared all the time. He is prepared all the time to face any danger at all time. So you can say he is well prepared. He is well prepared all the time. A soldier, he leads a very hard and disciplined life. He is well prepared all the time. For what? To face any danger. To face any danger. To face any danger is prepared. And danger at what time? At all times. He is well prepared all the time to face any danger. Okay, next. He has to be well trained in the weapon that he uses. So whatever weapon is given, so he has to train well in the use of weapons to face emergencies. So he has to train. He has to train well. He has to train well in the weapon He has to train well in the use of weapons, in the weapons that he uses. That he uses. What else? And he has to face emergency all the time. He has to face any situation. He has to face any emergency. He has to face any emergency situations. So he's all the time ready. Now, all men and women who have joined the army, the navy, and the air force are known as soldiers. A soldier makes a commitment to fight for the country. He leads a very hard and disciplined life. He is well prepared all the time to face any danger. He has to train well in the weapons that he uses. He has to face any emergency situations. He has to face any situations. Then they are posted at different places in the country. Soldiers had to be prepared to travel. They had to be prepared to be posted any part of the country. So they or he has to be prepared. Has to be prepared. He has to be prepared to be posted. Okay? He has to be prepared to be posted. To be posted from one part of the country to another. From one part of the country, from one part of the country to another. Okay, then He's posted in the deserts, dangerous places like deserts, mountains, forests, etc., for months together. Sometimes he is posted in posted to dangerous places like deserts, mountains and forests. So, he leads a very hard and disciplined life. He's well prepared all the time to face any danger. He has to train well in the weapons that he uses. He has to face any emergency situation. He has to be prepared to be posted from one part of the country to another, that to any time. Sometimes he is posted to dangerous places like the deserts, mountains, and forests. He has to face the external enemy. So, a soldier has to fight, he has to face the external enemies and also the internal ones. He has to fight, he has to face the external, that means outside, and external enemies. He has to face the external enemies and the internal ones. He has to face external enemies and the internal ones. Okay, now when you say internal, what we are talking about is sometimes floods will come, sometimes big, you'll have storm, then they are called in to help the people. So, in times of natural calamities like the floods and the cyclone, they call upon the soldiers to help the people. So, he is helpful. The soldiers, whether Air Force or Navy or Army, they are called for. So, he is called upon. He is called upon to help in time of natural like the floods and cyclones. Now we can go on, and what we need to know is courage of the soldier. The courage and honesty of a soldier is to be admired. We are writing a short composition. You can go on to say the kind of person that he is, the uniform that he wears, etc. Now, we are writing a short composition on the soldier. Who is a soldier? All men and women who have joined the army, the navy, and the air force are known as soldiers. A soldier makes a commitment to fight for the country. From the time he joins, he makes a commitment and he fights for the country. He leads a very hard and disciplined life. He is well prepared all the time to face any danger. Danger for far, danger for our country, for the country he fights for. He has to train well in the weapon that he uses. He has to face any emergency situations. He has to be prepared all the time to be posted from one part of the country to another. Wherever they are needed, they are asked to go, and he goes obediently. Sometimes he is posted to dangerous places like deserts, mountains, and forests. Extreme climates, he is there fighting for the country. He has to face the external enemies. That's outside the country, those who want to enter the country, terrorists, he has to help out. And the internal, what are the internal ones? He is called upon to help in time of natural calamity like the floods and cyclone. He comes in. Now, what about his character? He is a very honest person and he is full of courage. And above all, a soldier needs to be healthy. He wears a lovely uniform, but the work behind is so much. So let us learn from the soldier. You can write more about the soldier if you want.